Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you all the DPI settings in your OPPO Find X9 Pro. And no, I'm not talking about the mouse sensitivity, we're talking about the display. And at first we need to enter the settings and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Here, now we have to tap on, where was that? No, it wasn't here, it was in the About Device. And here in the About Device you have to tap on the build version, software version, or version here, and here version number. Pardon me, it's just different on every single phone that I've used. For example, on Vivo is different, on Samsung is different, and here is different. As you can see, we at first need to enter developer mode by tapping the version number over here. In some other phones it's called a build number and it's here, or on the other phones it's called software version. But the clue is that we have to enter the developer settings, as you can see here. Now when we are the developer, we have to tap System and Update, and now go to the developer options. Here, when we are the developer, we have to scroll down till we see the display settings. Networking, HD audio, input, drawing. Drawing is here. And now in the drawing we have to tap the smallest width. Tap it, and now here the base version is, the default value is 360, but you can set it, for example, to something like this. Tap save, and now as you can see it's like this. Now we can't see everything well, so let me revert it to the default ones, and here we have the best tool to manage our DPI. Apart from this, we can go back to the settings and go to the display and brightness. Here, if we are in the display and brightness, you can scroll down when you see the display size, and here we have something called large, standard, and small. Let me leave it as standard, and here we have something called font, and as you can see here we have font size. Default one is this one, and default one is this one. We need to preset. Tap apply, and actually that is for this video. These are the only DPI settings that we do have in this phone. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.